MStim Drop LGT233 is the latest technology for treating foot drop caused by neurological diseases and injury of tibialis anterior. It uses electrical pulses to stimulate the nerve to help normally lift the foot. This video is to show you how to use this device step by step. Before use, please make sure you don't have below symptoms. Consulting your physiotherapist or GP first is recommended. Charge your unit first. When the unit is fully charged, the light will turn blue and not flash anymore. The battery will last more than 4 hours. Next, connect the electrode wire. Slide the cover to the left. Put the jacks into the channel port. Then, download and connect the user app. The device is used together with a user app. You can search MStim Drop on your phone's app store to download, or simply scan the QR code to download. Open the app MStim Drop. For the first-time users, you need to register first. Then connect the unit to the app. Long press the button to turn on the unit. Enable Bluetooth of your phone. Click the image on the top of the screen and click Start Searching to pair the unit. After that, apply the unit to treat foot drop. Wipe the treated area using alcohol or soapy water. You need to make sure the skin of the treated area is dry and clean. Remove the plastic films of the pads. And then place one pad on peroneal nerve and another on tibialis anterior. Then attach pads. The unit is small and wearable. Put the device into the holder of the knee brace. And then wear it below the knee. Last, choose the mode to start the treatment. The unit is programmed with 2 treatment modes, train mode and walk mode. In train mode, the unit is preset with default frequency, pulse width, and treatment time. You can adjust them according to your needs. You can also adjust the ramp-up time, hold time, ramp-down time and interval time of electrical stimulation to make the treatment more comfortable and suitable to your condition. Click Start to get the treatment started. Then you can adjust the intensity. Once the treatment session is completed, the device will automatically turn off, or you can press stop on your phone to stop the treatment anytime. If you find the current parameter setting provide you with the most effective and comfortable treatment and want to use the same parameter setting for next time's treatment, then you can save the program to favorites. Click the icon on the top left, you can find the program you saved. Click Enter to Treatment and start the treatment directly. Train mode is to exercise your muscles to improve dorsiflexion and reduce weakness. In walk mode, adjust the frequency and pulse according to your need or just use the default parameters. Choose the foot you are to treat. Click Treatment of Debugging and set the current output to calibrate the sensor. This step is to check whether the pads are correctly placed or not. You need to stand upright. Click Adjust to start the calibration. If the pads are placed correctly, the app will enter the treatment interface. Click Start to get the treatment started and you can adjust the intensity according to specific needs. Walk More is to help you normally lift the front of your foot and walk faster and safely. The device has built-in smart sensor to detect the gait event to stimulate precisely. The users can monitor the improvement of walking angle and see how far they've walked on the app. When you don't need the device, stop the treatment on your phone. Take off the brace. Remove electrode wire and the pads. Put the pads back to the plastic films. In general, the pads can be reused up to 20 times. MStim Drop helps patients suffering from foot drop regain their mobility and life.